Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Purvi's Knowledge Cafe. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. In this video, we are going to discuss about business studies chapter 1, that is nature and purpose of business. Here today we are going to discuss two topics, that is characteristics of business and other one is comparison between three types of economic activities. Let's go with the first concept, that is characteristics of business. Business is an economic activity. It is referred as economic activity because it is concerned with generating income. So it is the economic activity. Second point, production or procurement of goods and services. Here business is concerned with production, sale and exchange of goods. So production takes place in business as well. The third point is that sale and goods of services, sale or exchange of goods and services. So here the exchange takes place between a retailer, wholesaler, retailer, customer. So they exchange their goods with some value. For example, they exchange the goods with the amount of the value of the product. Dealing in production and sales of goods at a regular base. So business is concerned with regular production of goods and services and sale of goods and services on a regular base. For example, a person who sells his property or his vehicle only for one day, it is not the business. If the person have his petty shop or a wholesale or a retail shop, he sells the goods at a regular base. This is called as business. Earning, the next point is earning profit. So there is no business which is not looking into profit. Every business is concerned with earning profit. Uncertainty of return. Here uncertainty means lack of knowledge about what is going to happen in the future. So we may be unaware of the profit as well as losses. If the business has high risk, then high profit will be gained. If the business has less risk, less profit will be gained. Element of risk, for example, fire accidents, flood, and other natural calamities may take place, and also theft, burns also takes place, which leads the business to close down sometimes, and the business may run under a loss. This completes characteristics of business. The next topic, that is differentiation between three types of economic activities, that is business, profession and employment. So we already know that business is concerned with regular production and distribution of goods and services on a regular base. And profession, the meaning of profession is that profession refers to a service which is rendered to the society. And then employment refers to the work undertaken by the people under the employer. Here three types of economic activities are being differentiated on the point of the difference. Let's see what's that. So comparison between business, profession and employment. Here basis of difference is mode of establishment, nature of work, qualification, reward or return, risk, capital investment, transfer of interest. First one, business uh, comes into existence. Mode of establishment. Mode of establishment in the sense how business comes to existence. How will business come into reality? So, entrepreneur's decision. Entrepreneurs is the owner of the business. So, business starts by the decision of entrepreneur. Profession. You already know that it is a personalized, providing a personalized service to the society. So here a person should join member of associational body. For example, a teacher should join a school or a college. Likewise, a doctor can go through some trainings for giving the services, and he can join into a hospital. Likewise, the professional association or body, it is an institution. Employment. Employment comes into existence, or employment starts when there is an appointment letter. When a company takes interview for a person, if he or she selects, then uh, a company will provide them appointment letter or offer letter, which gives their way to employment, or which gives their way in generating their livelihood. Second point of difference, nature of work. Here, what kind of work takes place in business? So business, we already know that it is provision. Provision is production and provision of goods and services. Sale, exchange and production of goods and services. Profession, rendering of personalized service. Here, for example, if teacher wants to give a service, they give teaching, and doctor, they give caring service. Everyone have their specified work given for them. Employment, performance of task. Here the employer needs to complete. Here the employer gives the work for the employees, and they should complete their task given by their owner or the employer. Next, qualification. Is it necessary to start? Is it necessary for a businessman or a woman to have qualification? It's not necessary. It's not necessary because you have seen many petty shops. Do you think all they have been educated? Yes, absolutely no. But uh, few have got the education, but not all. Next, profession. Qualification, here it is necessary. A teacher teaches through some training. So here every profession needs a qualification. In employment, qualification is necessary according to the needs, of the company or the employer. Because if you go to a company, there you'll get skilled and unskilled laborers. So there it depends on the company or the institution which you are joining. Next, reward or return. Here, business when the goods are sold to customers. In return, what we are getting is profit. So, in profession, the in profession you are rendering a service, so you will have in return of professional fees. In employment, it can be called as salary or wages for unskilled and skilled workers would get salary. Risk. Business has high risk, as I have told you before in characteristics of business. If there is a high risk in business, then you will have high profit. If you have less risk, less profit. Profession, it will be having minimum risk. For example, you are a doctor and a person comes who is sick and he is not eligible to pay the money, so it has some risk, you will not receive the money. Employment, it has very less risk, because here you will work under a company, institution, or the employer. uh, Here the risk is less, because sometimes burns and other fire accidents, natural causes occurs when you occurs, in which they resist to give the salary. Also, they might reduce it. During COVID times, many teachers were getting half the salary. So, in this way, it has less risk. Capital or investment, here capital is the lifeblood of the business. In business you should have huge investment, and in return you will get high profit. And also, if there is high risk, you will get high profit. Profession, capital, it may be or may not be. It may be when you start your own clinic. The doctors and teachers, when they start their own tuitions in some particular home, they need to pay the rent. Employment, here no capital is invested. Next, transfer of interest. In business, transfer of interest is possible. We will be seeing this in chapter 2, that is forms of business organizations. Profession, it's impossible, because a qualified person renders this service to the society, and it can't be transferred to the other persons, like your son, daughter, any children. Employment, it's impossible, because before, in government companies, they were allowing the transfer of interest. When their parents die, the child may take over the work, but now it's not possible. In private, it's impossible, 100%, it's not possible. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you.